students, let's do identities exercise 12a. Page number 150, question 3, evaluate. Here we have three binomials. Look at the first one, a plus 1, second a minus 1. So a plus 1 into a minus 1, we can use this identity, this formula, which says a plus b into a minus b equals a square minus b square. So that we can use with these two binomials, and after you multiply and get your answer, multiply with the third one. So let's begin. So what we're going to do is, first we're going to work out these a plus 1 into a minus 1, and then after working that out, we multiply with the third binomial a square plus 1. Okay, so now this one we're going to use this formula, a plus b into a minus b equals a square minus b square. So this is a and this is b. So a square means this will become, a is still a here, a square minus, what is b? B is 1. So 1 square. So a square minus 1 square. So we have finished with this. Now we bring down this next to it. So this will be a square plus 1. So here, as you can see, a square minus 1 square. 1 square means 1 into 1, which is 1. So here we can write this as a minus 1 into, a square minus 1 into a square plus 1. So now once again we can use this formula and write a square minus b square. So this is going to be a and this is going to be b. So a square means, what is a? A is a square. Square of this minus 1 square. So a to the power of, when you have a power raised to another power, multiply the two powers. 2 into 2, which is 4. A to the power of 4 minus 1 into 1, which is 1. So we have our answer, a to the power of 4 minus 1. Question 2, a plus b into a minus b into a square plus b square. Now let's use this formula, a plus b into a minus b, for this. Okay, because it's the same thing here, a plus b into a minus b, and the answer is a square minus b square. So we are going to work out this first. So let's begin by writing that. So that will be a plus b into a minus b. Okay, and then we bring down this third binomial, which is a square plus b square, a square plus b square. Now we're going to work out this with the help of this formula. It's the same as this. So your answer is a square minus b square. So here a square minus b square. We've got our answer here for the first one. Now we'll bring down the third binomial, which is a square plus b square. So once again, can you see a square minus b square, a square plus b square is in this format. So that means this is a. So this is a and this is b. So we can apply that formula. That means a square minus b square. So a square means, first write what is a. This is a. Now square of this minus, what is b? B is b square. The square of this. So this becomes a square minus b square. This will be a to the power of 2 into 2, which is 4, minus b to the power of 2 into 2, which is 4. So we have a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4, which is our answer. Question 3. So let's see the three binomials, 2a minus b, 2a plus b, 4a square plus b square. So let's apply this formula for the first two, that is a plus b into a minus b equals a square minus b square, which we can apply for these. Because it is in that format, 2a minus b and 2a plus b. So let's begin. So 2a minus b into 2a plus b. We are taking the first two binomials alone now, into the third binomial, which is 4a square plus b square. So now when we work this out, we're going to get the answer a square minus b square. So this is a and this is b. So a square means, what is a? 2a. A square minus b square. And then we multiply this with the third binomial, which is 4a square plus b square. So here what do we get now? Here it is 2a the whole square. That means 2 into 2 is 4. So we have 4a square minus b square. So 4a square minus b square, and the next binomial is 4a square plus b square. So again we have got it in this format here. So our answer will be a square minus b square. So what is a this time? This is a and this is b. So a square means, first write out what a is. A is 4a square. Now a square minus, first write on b, this is b square. Now work it out. Now 4 square means 4 fours are 16. So this is 16. Then we have a to the power of 2 into 2, that is a to the power of 4. A to the power of 4 minus b into b raised to the power of 2 into 2, that is 4. So what is the final answer? 16 a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4. Question 4. So here we have 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x into 9 plus 4x squared. So for these two we can use the formula here. So these are what we are going to write down first. So this is equal to 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x into the third binomial, that is 9 plus 4x squared. So what is within the square brackets is what we are going to do applying this formula. So here 3 will be a and minus 2x is going to be b. So a square minus b square means a is 3, 3 square minus b square, that is 2x the whole square. So this part is over. We're going to write this down here. So the next binomial that we have is the third one, which is 9 plus 4x squared. So here let's work out this. What is given here? 3 square means 3 into 3, which is 9, minus, now here what do we have? 2x square, that is 2 square is 2, 2's are 4, and x in square will be x square. So what do we have here? 9 minus 4x square is the first binomial here, and the second one is 9 plus 4x square. So this is also now in this format. So our answer should be a square minus b square. So what is a? This is a and this is b. So a square minus b square means we're going to write a, that is 9, 9 square minus b square. B is 4x square and the square of this. So this makes it a square minus b square. So 9 square means 9 into 9, which is 81. Here 4 square means 4 fours are 16, and x raised to the power of 2, which is again raised to the power of 2. So 2 2's are 4. So what do we have here? 81 minus 16x to the power of 4. Question 5. So here we have 3x minus 4y into 3x plus 4y into 9x square plus 16y square. So we can take these two and apply this formula. So let's begin that. So that will be 3x minus 4y into 3x plus 4y. Now let's take the last one, which is 9x square plus 16y square. So now let's work out this one with the help of this formula. So 3x will be a and 4y will be b. So this is a and this is b. So a square means 3x the whole square minus b square means 4y the whole square. Now we have these two. Now bring this one down and write it next here. So this is 9x square plus 16y square. So this, let's work out this now and see. 3x square means 3 into 3. 3 3's are 9. So that is 9x square minus 4 4's are 16 and y square. So here we have 9x square minus 16y square, and here we have 9x square plus 16 y square. So now this is once again in this format. So our answer is a square minus b square. So this is a and this is b. It's the same on both sides as you can see. So we are writing this as a and this as b. Now a square means a is 9x square, the square of this, minus b square. B is 16y square, square of this. So 9 square is 9 nines are 81. X to the power of 2 into 2, which is 4, minus 16 square. 16 into 16 is 256. Y square raised to the power of 2 is y to the power of 2 into 2, which is y to the power of 4. So we have our answer 81 x to the power of 4 minus 256 y to the power of 4. Question 4. Use the formula is given to us now to evaluate this 21 into 19. That means we have to get it in this format, a plus b into a minus b. So once you get a plus b, it's easier to get a minus b. Now look at 21. How can I make this a plus b? If I make it 20 plus 1, okay, so let's try that. So 21, I can write it as 20 plus 1 into, now 19 I can say 20 minus 1, isn't it? 20 minus 1 is 19. So always look out for the plus part first and then the same thing you can write it as minus. So 20 plus 1 is 21 and 20 minus 1 is 19. Now we can apply this formula because 20 and 20, 1 and 1, plus and minus just like this. So your answer will simply be a square minus b square. That means this is taken as a and this is taken as b. So a square means 20 square minus b square. B is 1, 1 square. Now 20 square is 20 into 20, which is 400, minus 1 square is 1 into 1, that is 1 itself. 400 minus 1 is 399. So our answer to this question is 399. So instead of doing it as 21 into 19, we can apply this formula and evaluate it easily. Question 2, again we have to apply this formula to evaluate this. So here we have 33 into 27. Like I said, first get the addition. So 33 can be 30 plus 3, isn't it? So let's write that. 33 is 30 plus 3 into, now 27, can we use the same thing here? Here we said 30 plus 3. Can we say 30 minus 3? You will get 27. Okay, so that is 30 minus 3. So now we can apply this formula because one is addition, one is subtraction with the same numbers. So now that is equal to a square minus b square. So this is a and this is b. So a square means 30 square minus b square. What is b? B is 3, 3 square. Now 30 square is 30 into 30, which is 900, minus 3 square is 3 3s are 9. So now we have to minus 900 minus 9, which is 891. So this is our answer. Question 3, here also use the formula of a plus b into a minus b equals a square minus b square to get the answer to this. So instead of doing the long multiplication 103 into 97, we can break it up into a plus b and a minus b. So 103, I can write it as 100 plus 3. That means 97 will become 100 minus 3. Now we can apply this formula, a square minus b square. 100 will be a and 3 will be b. So a square means a is 100 square plus b square, b is 3 square. So 100 into 100, that is 1 followed by 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 10,000 plus this is minus. It's not plus, it's minus. 3 3s are 9. Now 10,000 minus 9. That will be 9,991. Okay, so this is our answer. So that is minus and not plus. Make that correction. Okay. Question 4. 9.8 into 10.2. We have to get it in this format. A plus B into A minus B. Now first do the addition. When you do the addition part, then the subtraction is the same thing. Just change the sign. So 9.8 into 10.2. Look for the bigger number. The bigger number is 10.2. So 10.2, I can write it as 10 plus 0.2. Isn't it? So this is 10 plus 0.2, that becomes 10.2. That means 9.8 will be the same thing, 10, but this time it's minus 0.2. So now we have got it in this format, a plus b into a minus b. So what is the answer? A square minus b square. And this is a and this is b. So a square means, what is a? 10, 10 square minus b square. And what is b? 0.2 square. So 10 square means 10 into 10, which is 100, minus 0.2 square means 0.2 into 0.2. Let's work that out to make it easier for you. 0.2 into 0.2. Ignore the point and multiply. 2 2s are 4. Now see the number of decimal places. There's one place here and one place here. Your answer also should have two places. There's one more, and then the point. That means here we will have a 0. So 0.04. Now we have to subtract 0.04 from 100. 100 minus 0.04. So let's minus that and see. 100 minus 0.04. So the point will come here. Remember, in decimal subtraction, you have to be very careful. You have to put zeros wherever there's a number missing. Now let's subtract. We have to borrow all the way from here. So this becomes 0, 10, 9, 9 here, then 9, and this is 10. So now let's subtract. 10 minus 4 is 6. This is 9, then 9, 9. 99.96. So this is our answer, 99.96. Question 5. So here also we have to multiply two decimals using this formula. Now look for the bigger number. The bigger number is 8.3. So make that addition. So 8.3, how do we make it addition? We can say 8 plus 0.3. So this becomes 8 minus 0.3. So let's write that. So this is now 8 minus 0.3, and this will be 8 plus 0.3. So now we've got the same numbers on both sides except the sign that is different. Now apply this formula, a square minus b square. So this is a and this is b. So a square will be 8 square minus b square is 0.3 square. So 8 square is 8 into 8, which is 64, minus 0.3 into 0.3. Ignore the point. 3 3s are 9. Now look at the question. There is one decimal place here, one decimal place here. Your answer also should have two decimal places. So there is one more, and the point comes here. So 0.09. So this is 0.09. Now we have to subtract that. So 64 minus 0.09. Now wherever there's a number missing, put the zeros. Now let's borrow from here. So this becomes 3. Now here it's 10. This becomes 9 and 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 0 is 0. This is 3. 6. So what do we have here? We have 63.91. And this is our answer, 63.91. Question 6. 4.6 into 5.4. Use the same formula. How to get it in this format? There are two numbers here. Look for the bigger number. Bigger number is 5.4. So this we can say 5 plus 0.4. So this becomes 5 minus 0.4. So let's write that. So this is 5 minus 0.4. So this is minus 5 minus 0.4 into, and this becomes 5 plus 0.4. So now we have it in this format. A plus b into a minus b. So our answer is a square minus b square. So this is a and this is b. So now a square means 5 square minus b square is 0.4 square. So 5 square is 5 fives are 25 minus, now let's do this, 0.4 into 0.4, ignore the point and multiply, 4 fours are 16. Now there's one decimal place here, 1 here. Your answer also should have 2, 1, 2 and the point comes here 0, 0.16. So 25 minus 0.16. Let's minus 25 minus 0.16. So there are numbers missing. So let's put the zeros. So here let's borrow. Borrow from here. This becomes 4, 10, 9 and 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 1 is 8. Put the point 4, 2. So what do we have here? 24.84. And this is our final answer, 24.84. So we will stop with this for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.